Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add the Jazzcash payment gateway to your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here in the upper right corner and go ahead and log in to your account if you've not already. So go to WordPress.com, and after successfully logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access for managing your store like home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started implementing Jazzcash. This is what we want to do. First things first, go ahead and open up the WooCommerce section right here at the left side screen. That's going to open up this menu where you can either get started setting up a store if you do not already have one, or you can get started managing your store you currently have. So let's go and take a look at how to set up Jazzcash. Basically, as you can see right here in this article, we have the step-by-step on how to set up Jazzcash payment gateway. And what we want to do guys is go ahead and follow the steps we can find right here. So here we have the option to go ahead and follow the steps. So we're going to go ahead and see what it tells us and how we can go ahead and do that exactly. So basically guys, first you need a Jazzcash account. You probably know that you want to go ahead and create Jazzcash. So once you have gotten that, now you can go ahead and get started with installing the plugin. So what we can do guys is get started with installing the plugin by clicking the plugin section right here at the left side screen, and clicking plugin is going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can go ahead and get started with searching for Jazzcash. So you want to search for Jazzcash, and once searching for Jazzcash, as you can see, this is going to go ahead and give us the result that's going to go ahead and enable us to install the Jazzcash plugin. Basically guys, you can see Jazzcash is currently not available in my country. If it's available in your country, the plugin is going to appear right here. So once you have installed the Jazzcash app plugin and you activate the WooCommerce option for Jazzcash, you'll be able to implement it into your store directly and use everything, connect your Jazzcash there. But basically that's what you want to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.